So what's up, guys? Look, I've been searching on YouTube for a while now, trying to figure out how to do a camo pattern on my gun, and I think I've actually came up with a pretty good start for sure. I liked a few of the videos. I didn't know which one to pick, so what I ended up doing is just adding a few together. All right. So in one video they put fishnet stockings basically over the top of their shotgun. All right. And I started off, the shotgun was completely black. Make sure it was clean, everything like that. Put the pantyhose over the top of it, or the fishnet stocking, whatever you want to call it, over the top of it. And started painting my layers. All right. Well, with every layer, once I put fishnet on, I would put a layer of rubber bands, which I'm just in my first coat right now. All right, or no, this would be my second coat. I'm sorry. But it gives it a really cool pattern design. It's like a fish scale backwoods tiger stripe, I guess you would say. So you get the best of both worlds. You get, all your hunting, your tactical, and everywhere from in between with kind of what I was doing with it. But this is the pattern that's going to be kind of laid out on your gun. Now you don't have to use the same colors or anything like that. And honestly, there's no really right way, rhythm, rhyme, or whatever you're going to lay any of these rubber bands out. Just do what looks good to you, what looks good to your environment, and the gun's going to turn out exactly how you want it. Real easy, real cheap. Go down to your Home Depot, Lowe's, Walmart. Pick up some camouflage spray. That's all I did. And I couldn't decide what colors I was wanting, so I got some more. Because I'm indecisive. But I mean, it's a good pattern for what it is. I didn't dirt coat it. I didn't Cerakote it. I didn't, dip it or anything like that, man. It's all spray paint, and it looks great. Going back to what I was saying before, I'm gonna do a close-up, and I'm gonna do some pictures of the finished product once I get it all put together towards the end of the video. Hope y'all will continue to watch and see the pattern. Like I said, it's not a dip, not Cerakote, not Duracoat, just plain old pantyhose, rubber bands, and some old-fashioned camo paint. Here it is. That is what you get. Which, I don't think it looks bad at all. Now, the color patterns and stuff like that towards the end, whenever you're doing your last set of rubber bands and paint, I mixed the colors up a little bit. Kind of did like the old school camoing technique, where just spray a little bit here, a little bit there, a little bit everywhere type thing. But it turned out really good. Something I can use in the field, something I can use tactical, something I can use in the woods. Exactly what I was wanting.